place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to another day. So today it's a Friday. I've had the most busiest week and I couldn't vlog the whole week because I was too busy. So today's a Friday. It's the 1st of September. Happy spring day. Happy spring month, because you obviously won't be seeing this vlog anytime soon. I don't know. I'm starting to vlog today and I'm in a hurry actually because we have load shedding at 3 and I'm hoping to finish with washing my hair and go to the salon to hair dry because I want to braid. Is it even called braiding? Yeah, Maranda Lucas Lainan on Sunday because tomorrow I'm going somewhere and it's going to be like exciting, and yeah, I cannot wait for it. I won't be sharing it with you guys because it is just an intimate celebration. So this is what I will be using, as you guys have seen on my previous vlog, that this is the shampoo that I use. I have restocked on my favorite deep conditioner and I will be applying this butter from Nilotica. It's one of my favorite, and I'm running out. And then apply this oil. So I want to do this as quickly as I can and rush to the salon to hair dry. And then yeah, I won't be taking you guys with me on my wash day because you have seen the routine already. There's nothing new. And then yeah, maybe when I go to the salon I will take you guys with me. I am in such a hurry. Likely the salon is not far. I'm just hoping that I won't find a queue. It's actually like a walking distance, but audible. I couldn't walk because I was gonna take like forever to get them, and we have load shedding in an hour. So I'm only hoping for the best. Yeah. See you guys when we get there. I forgot to say that don't mind the white residue. It kind of looked like deep conditioner, but it's not. It's a butter. So I applied the butter while my hair was still dripping. It still is. And then topped off with the oil. And only hoping, obviously, but I will get there while it is still dripping, because that's the plan. And it sounds like there's a queue. I'm gonna cry with me, guys, cry with me. There's a queue. I can see the queue from the outside, and it's crazy. It is so crazy. Okay, let's go in. I am done. I am on my way home, and I think it's giving. Okay, so initially what I wanted was just to hair dry it and just leave it like that and let it out in G for today and then tomorrow as well, and have it. Okay, let me just get home first and then we'll talk, guys. That is on now. I'm open doing this because it's hot and I just want to. So as I was saying, now with the mic on. So as I was saying, initially I just wanted to hair dry and just comb my hair out, but I think that was not going to work now that I can just feel it because it is hot. So thank goodness. Oh man, I didn't even get her name. How rude of me. Because I got there like in a hurry. I just got in and said, hi, please do this. And then we started with the hair drying. And the minute she started, she was like, oh my goodness. The last time I handled hair like this was in Ghana. So she was like, ever since I've been to South Africa, I've never dealt with so much hair. So yeah, we got carried away. We talked, we laughed. There were a lot of stories. So she was like continuously saying sorry whenever she could feel like she was pulling out. Not this phone like cutting me off when I was still talking. Thank God I was in the car, so I could hear that there's no music playing. So I was like, damn, I've been talking to myself all this time, but managed to let it cool down and yeah, didn't go back to check what I was saying or where it cut me off. Anyway, I am now, yeah, as I was saying, this is not my hair. I think it's giving Bettina Witch vibe. Like, oh my goodness. Please do comment down below if you know what I mean. Like, if you do know what I mean, just comment down below. But anyway, I think it's cute. I love it. Um, if it does last until tomorrow, I will keep it. It will be my hairstyle for tomorrow. But if it doesn't, and I don't get the chance to go back to her, because she did say that if I do go back to her, she will fix it for me. If I don't get the chance to do it, I'll just comb it out, because that was the initial plan. So yeah, um, and she did it for free, guys. Because all I wanted was just to comb the hair out, but she was like, "Let me style it for you. If you do love it, you will keep it. If you don't, you can I leave it like that." And I think she did great based on what she went through. Yeah, I think she did absolutely amazing. So, and because it is hot, having the hair like tied up, it's very good for me. So yeah, I will see what's gonna happen and how my hair will look like in the morning. And yeah, yeah, if I do get the chance to go back to her, yeah, also I will see about that. So yeah, I'm done. I love it. I love it. And I will see you guys tomorrow if, oh no, I said tomorrow I'm not vlogging. So yeah, you will see the pictures on Instagram. I'm sure like by now I would have already posted the pictures on Instagram, or a reel maybe. So yeah, do check my Instagram out for the pictures to see how the hairstyle actually goes, because I will not be vlogging tomorrow. Also, I got my nails done on, when was it? On Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday. I love, 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 love them. They're giving spring. They're giving cute girl. They're giving clean girl. They're giving all the good things. And I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed with the color, with the shape, with the size. Everything is just giving the things that are supposed to give. So yeah, when my nails are done, when my hair is clean, like, as long for me, as long as my hair is clean, I don't mind like the type of hairstyle I have on. As long as my hair is washed and clean, I am good to go. So yeah, and also I did go for a wax on Saturday. Yeah, on Saturday. I wanted to include it on this vlog, but uh, I was squeezed in before my appointment, because the lady who does my works said she's free for that time, so I can come quickly. She does my works and then she will continue, because I think a client was running late. The next client was running late. So I was squeezed in a busy schedule. So I couldn't vlog that. But yeah, next time I do go, I'll try and vlog, or I will just leave her details below, because she is amazing. She's good at what she does. If you are into waxing, do check her information on the description box, and I will also leave her contact. So, and if you're not into waxing, I recommend. I highly, highly recommend, most especially now that we're getting into the hot season. Like, I think waxing is the best option. Uh, yeah, I've tried shaving, I've tried the creams. They all like gave me after effects, consequences. But with waxing, the pain is just at that particular moment. When you're done, you're good to go. And because now I'm used to it, I've been waxing for almost a year now, and I'm so used to it. Like I don't even mind the pain anymore. I know people will say, "Oh, it's that day, it's that time again to go and do the things." But with me, I'm like, "Yeah, it's that time." It's that time again. So I no longer mind the pain because I love the results, and yeah, it makes me feel good. So I wax girl, yes, that hair clean. Anyway, why am I blabbing too much? Anyway, see you guys. See you guys. I think this vlog will be up next week. I don't think there will be a vlog this week. I don't think there will be a vlog this week unless if I shoot something else because I was thinking of doing a sit down video and maybe do a skin routine. Even though like my skin is going through the most, like I said, I had the most busiest week and it was so busy at work. I was in the kitchen for one time last week and then two times this week. So my skin is suffered, okay? It went through the most. But yeah, I'll try and yeah, I'll just shoot because it doesn't have to be perfect for me to shoot the video. Yeah, because it will eventually get there. It will recover from the I don't know. It's not really the sunburn because I do apply sunscreen, but the fire burns and all the tiredness and the yeah and the stress, the work stress because stress does take us a step back with our skin. So I will just yeah, if I do get the chance, I will do my skincare routine. The most simplest skincare routine you've ever seen, I think. So I will do that maybe and post it this Sunday because this video will go up next week. So anyway, see you guys.
Hey guys, so today's a Saturday. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to another day. I ended up taking off that hairstyle, so I just left my hair out for it to breathe a little because I will be braiding tomorrow. So yeah.
Hi, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We eating, right? So I want to teach you how we eat. Look at my food. Look at it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today it's a Sunday and I am from church. So I'm outside the salon now. I want to do my hair because that was the plan. That was the reason why I had tried in the first place. So I'm just going to go in and get them to do my hair. Hopefully it doesn't take long because it's hot. I just want to go home and rest. So yeah guys, see you inside. guys, I am done. Oh, this is a fake smile, I'm telling you. I just reminded myself why I hate doing this and why this is my second time this year doing it, because was it worth it? Was it worth it? I've been in there for like since past 1, now it is past 4.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to another day. Today is a Tuesday and we had load shedding again. And the craziest thing is I was supposed to have woken up at least around 4 and switch on the air, but I didn't. By the time I woke up at 5, it was already going. So I came outside and made fire and then went in and bath. So right now, made coffee and then I'm gonna sip on it and yeah, go to work. It's crazy. It's crazy. The load shedding was supposed to, the electricity was supposed to come back at 7. Then 6 o'clock, I got a notification, and then when I checked, it's coming back at 9, and it will be going again at 1. I don't even know how we're going to survive today. I'm sure I have a lot of admin work to do because I have been not in the office for a week, last week and then yesterday, because it was busy at work. So I was not working like in the office. I was, oh, child, it's crazy. It's crazy. I know I have a lot of work to do, which requires electricity. So we will see. Oh my goodness. This coffee tastes so good. It tastes so good. So yeah, guys, let me sip on my coffee and then go to work. I will see you guys. I don't know when. because I don't vlog at work, and most of the time it's just me going to work and coming back home. Sometimes it is very late to pick up the phone and trying to shoot while I'm busy preparing dinner because sure, when it's late and you're tired and you just want to be as quick as you can, sometimes picking up the phone it's it's a lot of work as well. So yeah, that's why I didn't post last week. I was very busy, so I couldn't pick up the phone and shoot when I get home. So I hope there will be something exciting this week or happening for me to take you guys with me. But if that doesn't happen, I will see you guys. J. Kwalamasiku. Anyway, bye bye. Loko u nga se tshama u lava ku release hi content ya ku navela because what is this? Swi ni heta na matimba. So I have been talking, okay, not now, like some 2 hours ago. I didn't. I thought I was talking and I thought this thing was on. That time it is ran out of battery. It was switched off and I was not aware of that. And by the time I clicked done and then tried to listen, man, there was no sound at all. You guys don't understand. There was no sound, no audio, like zero. I was so defeated. So I'm reshooting the video that I shot 2 hours ago. And yeah, hopefully it comes out because the sun is already went outside. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be dark or what. I will see. And hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Because what is this? What is this? Anyway, today is a Friday. Welcome back to my vlog. So I just want to get this video done and then go prepare dinner because I was supposed to start like now, but because I have to get this video today, I'm doing this again. Hopefully this thing won't play with me because I cannot see when the battery is running low. It just surprises me. Anyway, let's get this video done and hopefully it will be up by Wednesday next week. So yeah.
I am defeated again. Halfway through recording, the mic switched off again, and then after shooting, and then I realized it switched off like halfway. I just deleted the video and I stopped. Like I just stopped with everything. Now I'm just cooking, and then I'm so over that video now. Maybe I will gather strength again to shoot it sometime. Not today, not tomorrow, not this week. I'm so defeated. But let it not demotivate me to do what I have to do right now.
What you wanna what?
I know, I should do.
Yeah. As long as you go to the camera. Silakan. No, it's loud. Say milk Pamela, na makan. Milk Pamela do so fast.